Let's now take you back to our earlier story where it was a day of legal setbacks for Rigathi Gachagua as the impeached former deputy president suffered a string of losses in court. The last one being a rejection of an injunction application by the same judges who declined to stop the swearing in of Professor Kithure Kindiki as deputy president. And as Citizen TV's Willie Lusige now reports, Gachagua had earlier suffered defeat at the Court of Appeal when judges rejected his application challenging the empanelment of the three-judge bench of the High Court.
It was a Thursday of potentially career-ending setbacks for Gachagua as the High Court sealed the last chance of the impeached deputy president to hold on to office.
The application I wish to make is called the Matthew Paper injunction.
Shortly after the High Court declined his application for conservatory orders to keep him in office, Gachagua's lawyers orally submitted an injunction application asking the three judges to suspend the implementation of their own decision until the 6th of November.
We request you to recognize that you could be wrong. And if you're wrong, then the pending proceedings before the Court of Appeal would be rendered nugatory.
Gachagua's lawyers argued that the ruling that the judges issued could result in an irreversible harm.
We ask you to issue a Matthew Paper injunction. We do not seek an indefinite injunction. We seek an injunction until 6th of November 2024.
The National Assembly opposed the request, stating that the matter had already been decided.
Ordinarily, when a court delivers a ruling in a matter, the court becomes functus officio in respect of that particular matter.
Ultimately, the court declined to grant the Matthew Paper injunction, stating that it was seized of the matter and advising the applicants to move to the Court of Appeal.
In any case, since the Court of Appeal is already seized of the matter, as we have confirmed from both sides, the parties have an opportunity to move the Court of Appeal accordingly. As such, the applications are all hereby disallowed.
Early on Thursday, Gachagua suffered another setback as the Court of Appeal declined to stop the High Court proceedings that lifted the orders barring Professor Kithure Kindiki's swearing in as his successor. Gachagua had sought a stay of proceedings pending an appeal against the High Court decision, affirming that Deputy Chief Justice Philomena Mbete Mwilu had authority to empanel the three-judge bench. Instead, Justice Patrick Kiage, George Odunga, and Agri Muchelule directed the case be heard on November 6th. Willie Lusige, Citizen TV, Nairobi.